Are you tired of fad diets that just don't work? Are you looking for one that would give you the body you really want? Try the Bigfoot Diet. All natural, ethically sourced ingredients that would give you the muscular physique of the tallest, darkest leading man in the film industry. It's no secret that Bigfoot is, well, big. If he weren't, he would just be called Foot. But the question is, what does the American ape man eat to sustain his gargantuan frame? Going off eyewitness reports, you'll find a number of stories where Sasquatches will eat deer, livestock, roadkill, pets, and even people, if some stories are to be believed. Some people have reported these creatures having sharp teeth and even fangs, depending on the region that they're sighted in. A common and very fair question that gets brought up by skeptics is, if there are Sasquatches roaming North America, the Bigfoot Field Researchers organization places the number at somewhere between 2,000 and 6,000. Shouldn't we see an impact on prey species populations? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind here. There are over 35 million deer in North America, about 1 million elk, over 90 million cows, with hundreds going missing and unrecovered every year, millions of wild rabbits, about 1 million moose, and so on and so forth. For a species with a population of 2,000 to 6,000, it might not be too hard to remain undetected. Some Sasquatch researchers have actually pointed towards fully grown, healthy elk being found in the wilderness with broken necks, as evidence that the supernatural simian really is stalking the forests hunting for its next meal. This isn't even taking into account the number of fish in North America, and the possibility that, as the apex of apex predators, animals like wolves and bears might not necessarily be off the menu for the Squatch. Now, if you look at another large primate, the gorilla, there might be a different explanation for how Bigfoot can eat enough to survive, while not significantly affecting the population numbers for various animal species in North America. Gorillas primarily eat plants, although they will consume insects, and there is some evidence that they eat other animals in the wild. The reason gorillas are able to sustain their large and powerful physiques solely from plants is because of how their long intestines break down food, which allows them to absorb much more protein from what they consume than a human would. Now, I personally don't have a Bigfoot body on hand to cut open and study, but it could be very possible that the paranormal primate has some sort of physiological quirk that would allow it to get enough protein from a diet consisting primarily of leafy greens. The Gigantopithecus is an animal in the fossil record that many Bigfoot researchers believe could be responsible for the Bigfoot phenomenon if some specimens survived to the modern day, and scientists currently believe that these creatures were herbivores, meaning there is precedent for a giant, potentially bipedal ape surviving off of plants. So, what do you think Bigfoot eats? Let me know in the comment section below. And Bigfoot, if you're watching and this video made you hungry, just know that I don't taste good no matter how you cook me.